After 30 days with Fetch Rewards, the biggest difference isn't usually your account balance. It's that you've built a routine for earning rewards from purchases you were already planning to make. By the end of this, you'll know what changes during your first month, which habits produce the most consistent results, and what to focus on going forward. The first month is when most users stop treating the app as something they remember after shopping. Instead, they begin checking available offers before heading to the store and scanning receipts shortly after every purchase. That routine reduces missed opportunities and keeps receipt submissions organized. You'll also have a better understanding of which brands and stores appear most often in your shopping history. That makes it easier to recognize offers that actually match your normal spending, instead of buying products only because they're promoted. Another thing you'll notice is that not every receipt earns the same rewards. Some shopping trips include eligible promotional products, while others only qualify for standard rewards. That's normal, and doesn't mean anything is wrong with your account. By this point, it's worth reviewing your receipt history. Look through previously processed receipts to see whether there are shopping patterns you can improve. If certain purchases regularly qualify for promotions, you'll know to watch for similar offers before future trips. You should also make a habit of checking that every receipt was processed correctly. If an eligible product wasn't recognized, follow the available review process while you still have the original receipt available. Keeping receipts until rewards are finalized is a simple habit that can save time later. Your first month is also a good time to review your account information. Confirm your email address is current. Keep the app updated. And make sure notifications are enabled if you want to hear about new promotions. These small maintenance steps help avoid account issues later. One mistake to avoid after the first month is chasing every available promotion. The better strategy is using offers that match purchases you already intended to make. That keeps the app useful without changing your shopping habits or increasing your spending. Consistency matters more than trying to maximize every single receipt. Scanning every eligible receipt over time is usually a more practical approach than focusing only on large shopping trips. To sum it up, expect better routines after 30 days. Recognize that rewards vary by purchase. Review your receipt history. And keep your account information up to date. Next, spend a few minutes before each shopping trip checking current offers instead of waiting until you're back home with your receipt. If this guide helped, like the video. Subscribe for more Fetch Rewards tips. And check out our other videos covering receipt scanning, missing rewards, and account troubleshooting.